Hi everyone, Miss Joelle here for another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to be talking to you about Google searches and how to refine your search using the tools option. So you'll see I just did a random Google search for flowers right here. And unfortunately, Google searches usually come up with ads first, so it'll show me that it's an ad right here. If I scroll past the ads, it is now assuming that I want flowers in my area, so it's telling me about shops that are near me. And when I am scrolling through, now these are some of the results that I am getting. So you can see a lot of these are flower stores, right? What I'm going to do is now I'm under all, right? So this was just a generic search. I can now click tools, and what that's going to allow me to do is that's going to allow me to filter. So I can filter from when I want the information to be. So for example, if I wanted flowers, I want to see what's been posted about flowers within the past hour. So again, if I scroll past the ads, now I'm getting some news articles, right? Because those are most likely to have been posted recently. So you can see this one was from 48 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago, etc. And now I'm getting some current information about flowers. I also could go to the news setting if I wanted to read about flowers in the news, and then same thing, by clicking this tools option, I can search by whatever I'd like. So if I want a custom range, so let's say I'm looking for something from 2008, I could put in a custom range here, or I can just do current timings here. And if I want to get rid of that, I can clear it. Another place that I really like to use this tool setting is under images. And this is probably my favorite thing ever because you can filter by so many things. So I can filter by usage rights, which would give me only images that I have the copyright approval for. I could search by size, color, which I think is the coolest thing ever. So if I just wanted green flowers, now all of my flowers in my search are green. I can even search here by transparency. So for example, if you're trying to do a Google presentation, so like maybe you're building like a slideshow or something and you wanted to put an image in it, a transparent image simply means that it doesn't have this like white background behind it. So if I drag this image onto a Google slide, it would then maybe look like the flowers were on the table instead of having the flowers with this white background. And they don't always work in this transparent section, but they often do, and that can be really useful. I'm going to go back to no filter here. I want to show you about the type because I think this is so cool. So let's say you notice that these so far have all been mostly pictures of flowers, but let's say I wanted clip art of flowers. Now I can scroll down and these are all clip art of flowers. I can also do line drawing, which gives me that kind of like coloring book sort of look. And so I can scroll through and get what I need there. The last section I want to show you about is videos because I really do like the tools option under videos. I think this is the coolest that it allows you to search by duration. So if you're just looking for a quick video versus if you're looking for something long, that can be really helpful. You can also, again, search by when things have been posted, if you want high quality or low quality, or any quality, I should say. And you can even search for a source, so you could find a video from a particular source if that's something that's helpful to you. And then finally, this allows you to search for closed captionings. Most YouTube videos you can put closed captionings on, but if you're specifically looking for something that's closed captioned, you can filter by that as well. So I hope that is helpful. Please make sure to use that tools search, and hopefully you can find what you're looking for a little easier. Have a great week.